Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing, and today I'm going to show you how can you easily create some graphical objects within the Adobe Illustrator. This is very simple and easy way to do that I'm showing you. I'm just creating a pot design right now, so you can follow the techniques if you are beginner and learning Illustrator designing. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm taking this shape tool from here and dragging a simple ellipse like this. Okay, so in the next part what I'm going to do, I'm pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F and taking a copy of this ellipse, and this time we are going to take this direct selection tool from here, and now you can simply just drag it down like this to create a pot like a structure. So you can see how it would be looking like, but before that you need to make sure that your guides are on, otherwise it will be quite difficult for you to manage the lines with the alignment of lines. So you can see here, you can also press Ctrl U to turn on your smart guides, and here I'm changing the color to turquoise here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm arranging it and sending it to back, so it will be looking like this now. And this is the first ellipse that we have created. Now we need to work on this ellipse now. So first of all we will click on it, and now you have to take this direct selection tool from here, and now just drag it on the upside, so it will be looking like this to create a pot like structure. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are taking a copy of this from here, and now just like this, and here you can take another copy of this and displace it with some distance as I did in this way. So what we have to do now, you can go into the window here you can find the pathfinder, and now just subtract the shape together, so it will be you will get these type of lines here. You can align it here, and now you can turn the color to turquoise. So you can see that it will create a quite realistic sort of object in a pot format. And now what we are going to do, we are taking another copy of this here again, and take another copy of this again here, and this time we are interested in this part, and for this we have to select both these shapes together, and now we are going to intersect it, so we will get our desired shape. So you can place it here, and now you can change the color to this one. So you can see how easy it is to create these type of shape structures within Adobe Illustrator. And now what we are going to do, we are simply taking this one from here, and here you can take a copy of this again, and this time we are going to create another copy of this, and now select together and minus the front, so you will get these shapes here. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking this one from here and just removing it here, so you can use, I'm taking this one like this, and now you can change the color easily to the darker side, just to create a more illusion to this design if you want. Otherwise you can skip it if you don't want to create in this way. For example, I'm not going into these details, so it will be we can do it here as well. So now we are going to create some text here. For example, Sunday, I'm writing Sunday, and here you can cancel it, and now I'm going to scale it up like this. I'm using the black sword font. This is the default font or the free font that you can easily download from the font.com. And now to create more realistic illusion to this design, I'm taking this color here, and now I'm going to take this one, and here you can increase the font size like this. If you want, you can also change the color to the hot chocolate type of color is this, and now you can change the color here as well like this. And here I'm just removing this stroke color, so it's looking like this. So this is very cool and easy way to create these type of pot designs. And now just to create some more religion to this design, what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking this color from here and now creating a small circle again, and this time we are going to give this color here, and you can place it on a side, and if you want you can subtract it, so just to create a, or might be what you can do, Control Z, and here I'm taking a copy of this, and now you can go into the transform, reflect it, press OK, and now you can just displace it, so it will be looking like this. And now you can take both and Control Z, and now you can select this one, and here you can minus the object, and here you can do, so it will take the color from the background of this part and you can place it here simply like this. And now what we are going to do, we have to create the handle to this design. To create a handle, we are going to take this paintbrush tool and now dragging a simple things like this. Okay, so here I'm removing the fill color from here and just taking the stroke part, and here you can press Ctrl C and F, and now you can increase the size to this part and simply taking like this. And next thing that we are going to do, just to make it more prominent, I'm changing the color to white now, and here I'm selecting these two shapes together. Here you can take the pen tool and take these two anchor points and connect them as a closed loop, so it will be looking like this. And here you can simply fill the color like here, and now I am just removing this stroke part and going to the object, expand appearance, so it will be looking like this. Now here you can simply take this one, and now you can make a little tilt around it, and here you can take it and send to back, so it will be looking like this. And here what I'm going to do, if you want you can change the color to this design, or might be you can take this one as well. If you want you can also change it as per your requirement if you want to change it. Now take a copy of this, reflect it vertically, and now you can displace it in the same way. So align it here, simply make sure that everything is well connected, so it will be looking like this. This is very simple and easy way to create these type of graphical objects. So very simple and easy designing that you can easily create, and you can define so many things by using the same technique. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other requirement, then you can discuss with me in the comment section, and I will definitely create the tutorial on that design. And if you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Goodbye.